In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Workspaces in Microsoft Edge. Workspaces lets you organize your tabs and projects effectively, keeping your browsing neat and productive. First, open Microsoft Edge. Look at the top left corner of your browser window. You'll see an icon that looks like a briefcase or a grid. That's the Workspaces icon. Click it. Next, click Create New Workspace. Give your workspace a name, something descriptive like Project Alpha, and choose a color to help you quickly recognize it. Then, click Done. A new window opens exclusively for that workspace. A clean slate where you can open tabs, navigate websites, and manage tasks without cluttering your main browser. Switching between workspaces is easy. Click the Workspaces icon again, select a workspace from the list, and it opens in a separate window with all its saved tabs intact. You can also edit, rename, delete, or invite collaborators to a workspace from the Workspaces menu, perfect for team projects. And that's it. With Workspaces, you can stay organized, efficient, and in control of your browsing. Thanks for watching, and happy surfing.